Hi everyone, I am Zeeshan, a cybersecurity student, and today I will gonna show you my new project. I build a real-time detection system that identifies keylogger activity and brute force login attempt using the Elastic Stack with Elast Alert 2 for email delivery. Before starting to the project overview, first of all I will explain you what is keylogger and what is brute force. A brute force attack attempts to gain access by systematically trying many possible passwords or keys until one works. It can be targeted at login pages, SSH, RDP, or encryption files. Means in brute force attack we can try passwords combination to just crack the password. And after all, the keylogger. A keylogger is a software or hardware that records the keys a user presses on their keyboard. Attackers use them to capture passwords, credit card numbers, private messages, anything you type in your keyboard, it can be sent to the attacker. So, the project integrates Sysmon and Winlogbeat on Windows to collect the security logs, then uses Logstash to parse and correlate them in Elasticsearch. After that, Kibana visualize the data and Elastic Alerts to send an email notification when suspicious activities is detected. I configured rules to detect major threats. Basically, I have built two rules. First is for keylogger detection and second is for brute force login attempt. After all, I have made one email delivery team with the help of Elast Alert. It will give you alert on real time. The project's real-time keylogger and brute force essentials with Elasticsearch show me how can use open source tools to build a mini SIEM setup for real-time threat detection. After all, I will gonna show you how it's work. This is all the this is the Sysmon's file. This is test keylogger file. I have generated it. It doesn't contain IP address. It is just for testing purpose. This is my brute force attack demo file, and this is my Winlogbeat file which we can use for sending Windows logs to Elasticsearch dashboard. So here I am getting my alerts. I have tried it so many times, so I will gonna show you. Right now that is 45. Just I will. This is brute force attack test file. See, right now there is a 45, right? Yeah, 45, and one test keylogger file also I have there. It will run. Just we have to run with Python. Now keylogger attack also runs. Now we have to just refresh. We have to wait to 1 to 2 minutes, so it will be loaded. See, 49. Earlier it was 45. See, brute force attack, keylogger attacks. Now it's time for email checking email delivery. See, we have to check whether it is detected or not. See, Here I have received my keylogger detection. Although I have already told, I haven't added these things, so it will be not received. For brute force, we are gonna see this alert on our email. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.